Yo, what's going on, everyone? Today is June 25th, and I have a trade recap on NQ. I'm gonna run you through everything. My bias coming in, kind of like a top-down analysis type thing for you guys. Coming in to market open, um, we had we were extremely we've been bullish for a few days now, without really any signs of pulling back or anything. And we also have all-time highs right up here. So my initial thought process coming in was that we were kind of just gonna trickle up to the all-time highs and have our pullbacks or retracements every now and then, but ultimately just kind of like really getting good displacement moves to the upside until we reach those highs once again. Yeah, so not much on the higher time frame. We had a 1 hour change in the state right here. Yesterday around 3. Other than that, yeah, there wasn't much to base your trades off, especially because we have no data to the left because of the rolled over contracts. So yeah, here we go. Trying to make this as simple as possible, as quick as possible. So market open, we came up. Again, not much right here, just kind of like a quick displacement move to the downside, which was fine because we had a change in state here on the 1 minute. So I marked that out. My standard deviation, my initial standard deviation projection was hit right here. And then after, I'll make other videos on these concepts, but after your initial projection is hit, the market will normally come back up, retrace somewhere. I would honestly say like somewhere in here, the equilibrium and like the range you marked out, somewhere in there, which I think it did. Yeah, look at that, it doesn't lie. Literally dead center of the, if you were to draw a box. After that, we displaced downward again. Now bear in mind that that's not the full move. We have, I don't have, actually, I could throw it on. No, I won't. But like the full move would, probably be somewhere down here, which is the -3, -4, or whatever types of levels you use. One thing I did really like is that, so we left the 5 minute fair value gap. We already reacted out of it once on that move lower that we had from that standard deviation. We left it. We also left the high inside of the fair value gap, which I really liked, especially because we left this high up here and like right off open. We left it. We came up, didn't quite hit it, but we did hit. We came back and retraced our standard deviation, which was nice. Displaced down. Now we can expect to come back up. After we sweep these lows, we do not come back down, I don't think. And okay, boom. We sweep this high that I was interested in. I wanted to see how we would react to it. We had a body engulfing candle, which was perfect. As well as in the 5 minute, and we formed a 1 minute. We then displaced through it, and this was my entry. Very simple. Now, you could have waited for the change in the state too, just for kind of like added conviction, but I personally didn't think we needed it just because my bearish bias was pretty strong now at this point in the morning. So yeah, so I entered one. I risked about 400, I believe. Yeah, 450 ish. Targeted down here. This was a untapped 5 minute. I normally put it at the wick of the previous candle, like the third candle in the formation, if that makes sense. So we were targeting that down there, and now I want to see the full move. And you can draw this out. This is kind of like your second standard deviation, the expansion move you really want to see. This was our first one. We hit it, came back, did whatever. another change in the state. That's a manipulation leg. Boom, manipulate. And now we're going to distribute. And it should be quick. Like you want to see quick movement. And we do. We displace hard. Boom. That's a great move to the downside. Another thing, all of this, that's liquidity. That's low resting liquidity. That's just waiting to be swept. And we did. And from here, we come back up. I think we tap. Yep, we tap the change in state one more time. That's added conviction. You probably could have added a contract. I didn't, but anyway, we run it down, we run it down, we run it down. And we hit it right there. We just wick it. I didn't even realize when a TP was hit. But I think we do come back down afterwards to get like a full move through it. Right here somewhere. Yeah, right there. But yeah, that was the trade. I thought that was the best setup today as far as the model I trade. And again, I will make I'm gonna start a series, kind of like a not a beginner's guide, but kind of like a free course, if you will, on YouTube. I also have my Discord. I just previously made like 2 days ago. I finished it, and I'll link it in the description. If you guys want to trade live with me, share ideas even. There's a free section, there's the premium section. You can look into it if you're interested. But yeah, so this was my first YouTube video actually, and I just want to say I'm going to be very transparent, very honest with you guys, because I don't believe in the whole, like, I don't know, the guru thing, where it's like, oh, like nobody's perfect. I'm not going to act like I'm perfect, because that's a lot of work, just to lie like that, because I'm still learning things every single day. I just figured I wanted to hop on social media, because I've been in the trading thing for 2 years now, and I've learned so much, and I'm definitely proud of myself for how far I've come, how I handle things now, my patience in the market, everything, my conviction, confidence, all that stuff. And I want to share it with you guys, because I believe, when I have the opportunity to share stuff with you, I'm not just gonna sit at home and keep my mouth shut. I'd rather share it. So yeah, look out for those videos. The course thing, like I said, I'm gonna try to start, posting videos, either whether it's every day, maybe twice a day even. But yeah, other than that, look out for the trade recap tomorrow. Stay safe. Do not be stupid in the markets. Only trade your setup. Only trade your time, your kill zones, whatever you got. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.